the who. The what instead of the who. Satan would love us to put our trust in the what. Put your trust in your riches, in your monies. Well, the problem is, it's not always going to be there. Oh, put your trust in your possessions. It won't always be there. But if you put your trust in the who, meaning the true God, God will always take care of you. Which leads us to question number 25 on top of page 59. Why does God not want us to have any other gods besides Him? As our Creator and the only true God, God loves us and knows that only He can provide us with all we need for time and eternity. On bottom of page 18, write that down. Why would God want us to find our security identity in Him? Because, write that. Right. In your catechism, on top of page 58, in the box, it says the first commandment, you shall have no other gods. I want you to put an equal sign and write this down. Trust me, meaning trust God. When God says you shall have no other gods, what He's telling us is to trust in Him above all things. In fact, it's in the meaning. We should fear, love, and trust in God. Alright, on top of page 19 in your workbooks. It says open your catechism to questions 26 through 30. So pages 59 through 61. And what it says here, write the reasons why we should fear God in the scale part. Write the reasons why we love God in the heart part. And then write the reasons why we should trust God in the handshake part. So what I want you to do at your tables, in whatever groups you're in, is write the different reasons for putting in those circles. So like the first one, question number 26. What does God require of us in the first commandment? We should fear, love, and trust Him above all things. Why should we fear, love, and trust Him above all things? Because we, in that first one, is that we love or fear Him because, and it's really question number 28, that we take God seriously. So if you look at question number 28, find the answers there for the scale one. Question number 29 is the love one. And the trust one is question 30. And summarize those Bible passages in there. For me, remember I'm old because I remember Flip Wilson and nobody else does, so that's fine. Right. question number. Right, this stuff in here. Next one here. Make sense? 26, 27, 28. So, fear one, right there, love one, and if you want to, you can just write these words in there. Put the question and answer. All right, question number 28 is the scale, 29 is the part, 30. All right, last thing we're going to do today is question 31. Next to the circles that you wrote, it says, think of at least 2 examples of how people fear, love, and trust in things rather than in the one true God. Now they list the things in the catechism: human achievements, human goodness, money, possessions. I want you to write down 2 examples of how people may trust in their what, the what of this world instead of the who. So what might people, in human achievements, that Genesis 11 was they thought they could build a tower reaching to the heavens to God. Well, they couldn't. So. kind of things like that. So you just write down how people might put their more trust in their intellect and technology or medical advances. What are some things that people might trust in more than trusting in God? Does that make sense? And then go on for A, B, C, D, and E. Maybe you can think of historical events that took place.
Maybe I'll give it to both of you, and therefore I'm even better than anybody.
Never seen a person.
That might be letter C.
Even though there are sometimes I wish people
One time phone.
lose a clicker, yes. What's your grade? What do you enjoy?
Oh my.
Turn into a Listen to those one liners every once in a while. Either go.
Right.
My wife will go.
Yep. Hey, that's not good. Okay, we should just get together.
Yeah. All right, we're going to finish up the lesson next week when we go to the next lesson. Enjoy your week. Read through the catechism. Remember, in the news and notes and on our webpage, remember your favorite webpage is down to the minute hour of the confirmation. It's a list of things that you can be reviewing as you read through the catechism again, okay? That's what's going on with that. One last thing, at the end of the month, the fire department is having a pancake breakfast. And they're always looking for people who can help, and those can count as service project things. So talk to the Mackins. They know more about it than I do. So it's on the 26th, over at
Where's my dad?
There you go. Enjoy your week.